Sorry guys, my camera cut for a second there. But anyways, whatever. Here we go. The back can lift like this. Put your pinky in there and then, there we go. And that is how low and high it can go. That's how it is. Go that high, or that high. Can go any height you want it to be. But yeah. I do like this right here. I put it all gray around it, some black pieces on the side, and then gray. So light, and then dark. It's pretty cool. And the winch does come out to hook up to a car. For example, it could fit a 6-wide vehicle, and this bed is 8 studs wide, like the bed, and the front of the cab is 6 studs wide. So basically, a little montage here, you just roll up to the car, on the back of the car. So it basically probably will have this bar right here, which allows the hook to just latch onto that. So let's try. Alright. You can make a winch as well, but I'm not going to really think about doing it. And then once the vehicle is up, you're going to lock it back in place. This, and then you just hook it up and do whatever you need to do, and then you can drive away. So anyways guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave a like, comment, and rate, comment, and subscribe, and press the like button if you like this video. That helps me a lot for my channel and everybody else on YouTube. Thank you. Bye.